Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on autocorrect on Macbook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Autocorrect is the text correction feature found in iOS and macOS. With autocorrect, you can type quickly, and if you hit the wrong letter or misspell a word, it will be changed to a correct word. So how to do it if you want to turn this on? It's so simple. Actually, by default, your autocorrect on MacBooks is active. But what if you accidentally disabled? Now we want to turn this on. Now you can open your system preferences on your MacBook. You can go to keyboard. Click on keyboard. You can go to text section. From keyboard, you can just click on text here, and you'll find there is an option correct spelling automatically. You can just click on that, give the checklist here. So now your autocorrect spelling on your MacBook is enabled. It's so simple, right? So that is how to turn on autocorrect on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.